Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2026. Let's take a look at the Forex economic calendar for today. So what do we have here for today? Only the most important data release, and this is the PPI data from the US, scheduled for release at 2:30. The market participants expect the increase from 0.7% to 1.1% for the producer price index. So that's about the economic calendar. There's plenty of the medium important events as well. Nevertheless, those won't have so much impact as this one. Even the Chinese data are not that really important. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts and we start with euro dollar. So the euro dollar breaks above the very important level of 1.1740. As you can see, we are at the highs of the day, 1.1797. Gap is totally filled, right? So the gap is filled. Technical support at 1.1668 has been tested. Nevertheless, as you can see, we have something that we really like during the to spot on. During the analysis, we have bearish divergence between the RSI, right, and the what is the price doing and what is the RSI doing. So we got the bearish divergence. We broke above the technical resistance. Now this is going to be, of course, the support. Let me just place this line. There you go. This is the next resistance here. It's located at 1.1835, and this is the next target for the bulls. So the outlook on euro dollar remains bullish, risk on. Cable, the same situation. Gap is covered. We broke above the technical resistance. Now it's going to be a technical support. After the breakout above the trend line, the orange one, the movement to the upside has accelerated. Let me just move this one. There you go, because it's quite interesting. So now we have the technical support at 1.3483. Let me just take a look. Where is the next technical resistance? Well. Next technical resistance is around here. Let me just grab the magnet. Technical resistance is around here, 1.3574. Right. So that's the situation on the British pound on a cable. Basically, a risk on. As you can see all across the board, it looks like the US dollar is losing ground. Let me just mark the major technical support yet again. Sorry for that. There you go. This is it. That's it. That's the situation here. And let me just grab the major. There you go. And that's the major technical resistance. So let's find out how much did we retrace, shall we? It looks like there is a full risk on. Let me just find out if there's correct. No, of course it's not. So it's the other way around. So it's like this. And this is like that. So roughly, right, 50% has been just tested. 1.3517, 61% is roughly around this level here, 1.36, and this is the next target for the bulls. Momentum is strong, momentum is powerful. Nevertheless, bearish divergence between price and between the price and between the what is the market doing. So right now, US dollar versus the Japanese yen, as you can see, trading inside of the range at the 4-hour time frame chart, just in the middle of the range. We used to grab the parallel channel to see what is the situation here, where is the middle of the channel. So it looks like this, and we are just above the middle of the channel. So not much here to be focused on. Nevertheless, we are going the trend in the back is still up, right? So we might be going up soon. Nevertheless, please notice risk is on. It's clear risk on sentiment. Gold inside of the range. Let me just break it for you guys. It's inside the range. That's the maximum, all right? So that's fine. That's the maximum. Let me just place the parallel channel yet again, and this is the situation here. Okay, so we are inside of this channel, and the gold is trading roughly around 4,773. quite strong momentum, nothing to not much to add here at this point, because it looks like the market still needs a lot of the ground to be covered. Nevertheless, we are still inside of the range. Not much is going on here. S&P 500, of course, it's obvious that S&P 500 is trading higher. We just broke above 6,844. Yesterday's local high was made at 6,898, almost 6,900. So we are not that far away from the swing high at 7,000. It was 7,000 something, right? 7,011. As we can see, all of this situation here from the February has been retraced, and this is clearly impulsive. This is impulsive cycle. That's the situation here. Of course, minor divergence is spotted here between the S&P 500, very strong, and what is the price doing. Let me just place this arrow here. So you got the price moving higher. And the momentum is not moving higher that much. It's like this. So we got the divergence. Nevertheless, every time we do some kind of a pullback, some kind of a local pullback, right after then there is a spike to the upside, pullback, spike to the upside. So it's clearly impulsive movement to the upside, targeting the recent highs. Crude oil is down. Now it's right below the blue trend line. Let me just change the color of this trend line to orange as usual. There you go. So a local high was made here at 100 and sorry, it's not 90, it's 105.60. Reversal, big movement to the downside. We are testing the last week lows. Let me just mark the last week lows. So the last week lows are around 195.25. So that's the technical support. Let's stay with this. And if this level is violated, next low is this big spike to the downside, low 91.06. Momentum is already very negative, 41 points only. Any breakout to the downside, there's still a room to the downside. Yeah, any breakout to the downside means we will go further away from this trend line. So 91.06 and then even 84.45 is the next target. Obviously, let me just place it. Okay, where is the rectangle? There you go. This is the situation here with the rectangle. The biggest and strongest supply zone is still on our charts, and it's here, right? Only a sustainable breakout above this zone is bullish. Otherwise, is bearish to neutral. And the Bitcoin keeps moving higher, as you can see, minus 5.16, minus 3.72, minus 4.50. So standard corrections to the downside. Right now we are trading around $75,000, almost there. Target $76,000 swing high from the February. Let me just, where is my arrow? There you go. This is the next target. This is the next target here. Swing high from the March 17th, 2026. Sorry. So that's the swing high. There you go. This is our swing high, and any breakout above the swing high is obviously bullish. It looks very good, especially with the momentum. As you can see, it resolved the small bearish divergence back down towards the level of 40. Very big movement to the upside from the level of 40 on the RSI towards the level of 70. So extremely overbought conditions. Very big steady movement to the upside after the technical support has been tested at 70,400, let's say. So the market is ready to move higher. Immediate technical support is located at 73,829 according to my books. Of course, that's a cosmetical change for you guys. There you go, orange trend line. Here it is. So shall we try the parallel channel at the end? Let's see if this is something interesting here for us. No, it's breakout above the channel, breakout above the channel, breakout above the channel. So definitely this market doesn't actually looks like it is trading inside of the channel. Because we are out of the channel right now, so situation is even more bullish. It looks even more bullish from the technical point of view. There are high chances that this market will test 76,000. What it's going to do then, Not quite sure because the momentum will be, it looks like the momentum will be extremely overbought already, but there is only like 1,000 and something dollars only to cover in order to test this this level here, 76,000, and then it will be good idea to keep an eye on the situation on the Bitcoin, because we will see if there will be a breakout which is bullish, or whether there will be a reversal back down, maybe back down inside of the channel or somewhere there. So keep an eye on this line, 76,000 swing high from the March 17th 2026. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.